How to add money to Phantom wallet. Now if you want to add money to Phantom wallet but you're actually not finding the option, well, that is because it doesn't have the option. If you're talking about fiat currency, it doesn't have the option. But what you can do is you can add crypto or other form of currencies like Solana or other thing as such. So you can open the Phantom wallet app, and this is the interface you will see. Just make sure to log in. Right here you can see the option called receive. Now because we are trying to deposit, we will select the option called receive. Now over here what we want to do is we want to copy our Solana wallet address. So you tap on Solana, this is our Solana QR code, and using this address we can receive any other form of cryptocurrency within this wallet. So right here you can also copy this little address at the bottom, or you can share the QR code. Now the next thing depends upon from which cryptocurrency exchange you would like to go ahead and then deposit the money to. And after you select that, you should be able to paste this wallet address that we copied, and this is actually based on the app that you use. You could be using Binance, you could be using Coinbase, you could be using Trust Wallet, Bybit, MetaMask, or any other thing as such. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.